Hello and welcome to another video of our channel where we will be discussing the best ways to make money online in 2022. Today we will be sharing the best URL shorteners to earn money online in 2022. URL shortener is one of the best ways to make money online, and the best part is that you don't need any website or special skills to use it. There are many well-paid URL shortener companies that provide users with excellent earning opportunities. If you're looking for the best URL shorteners to make money, don't worry. In this new video, you'll get information about some of the best and most reliable sites on which you can make decent money. There are all kinds of people who get a lot of traffic on their sites, but they face the challenge of making money from their link shorteners. Here is the list 5 leading URL shorteners where you can earn money on short links. All these platforms are reliable and legit. Therefore, you can choose any of them without any doubt. Shorteners is a free link shortener network with a good CPM rate. They pay up to $20 for every 1,000 views, which is probably the best URL shortener to earn money. You can make money from both desktop and mobile traffic. The best part is that you can use it from anywhere in the world and at any time. The payout differs from country to country. If you live in the US, you get $7 for 1,000 views, and in other countries, they pay around $2 to $4 for 1,000 views. They pay their users on the 1st and 16th of every month, and the threshold income is $5. They pay you on time, and it is a reliable network on the internet. This means you all the more reasons to join it. ShrinkMe is another platform where you can earn money on short links. You will be amazed to know the amount they pay, which is $22 for every 1,000 views. Earning money through them is very easy, as all you need to do is create an account, shorten your link, and start making money. ShrinkMe is a free tool where you can earn money for every visit. You can make even more money. All you need to do is refer your friends and get 20% of their lifetime earnings. Their customer support is also pretty good, as you can get live cart support through Facebook, Skype, or WhatsApp if you have any queries. If you are looking for a trustworthy and best URL shortener to earn money and want to make decent money with it, then ClickSly is the solution for you. It is relatively new in the market that pays a good payout to its users. The highlighting part about ClickSly is that you can draw your money through Paytem. This platform is pretty easy to use, trustworthy, and transparent. They have a minimum withdrawal limit, but you can withdraw it instantly once you reach the limit. Various people use this platform, and they prefer it because of its functionality. It is a 100% legit platform. Plus, they pay you $200 for every 10,000 views. Shorteners is another reliable and one of the best URL shortener to earn money that offers high CPM rates. If you have good traffic on your website or blog and want to generate more revenue, then this is the best platform for you. They offer a high payout rate of $5 for every 1,000 views. It is a trustworthy network that actually pays users for their efforts. You can earn even more by referring it to your audience with a referral link, and for each registration through your referral link, you can earn a 10% commission on their lifetime earnings. The highlighting part about this platform is the administration panel they provide for controlling everything is impressive. Finally, how.io is probably one of the best because of its simple and easy functionality. They render users with some advanced tools like Quick Link and Mass Shrinker. With the help of these links, you can shorten links and make money. How.io is a unique platform and is 100% legit, which pays its users on time. They offer a good payout rate of $1 to $5 for every 1,000 views. It is distinct from others because it offers numerous views from the same viewers that help you make even more money. They send payments automatically to the users on the 1st and 15th of every month. Their customer support is outstanding, as you can reach out to them 24/7 if you have any queries. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel. We will be releasing the second part of the other 5 best URL shorteners to earn money online within 2 days from now. Thank you for viewing, and until the next video, goodbye.